Hey everyone, welcome back to LevelUP Gamers, where we build games one fun tutorial at a time. Today in part 4 of our Tom and Jerry Endless Runner series, we're adding obstacles, collision detection, and some sneaky game over logic, all without using a UI. Let's go. Step 1. Create the obstacle prefab. In your sprites folder, import or use a simple obstacle sprite, like a spike or box. Drag it into the scene, rename it obstacle, add BoxCollider2D set to isTrigger. Step 2. Create the obstacle script in the scripts folder, right-click. Create C# script, name it obstacle trigger. Add the tag player to Jerry. Attach this script to the obstacle prefab. Step 3. Random obstacle spawner. Create a new sequence script. Obstacle spawner. Attach this script to an empty game object. Name it spawner, assign the obstacle prefab, and Jerry in the inspector. Step 4. Play and test. Press play, move Jerry with a /T. When he touches the obstacle, it disappears and logs game over. If he doesn't hit it, it respawns randomly ahead. Wrap up obstacle appears randomly, disappears, and triggers game over on contact respawns if untouched. Next up in part 5, we'll add score tracking UI elements if time permits. Comment if you want mobile controls next. Like, subscribe to LevelUP Gamers and share with your dev friends.